My name is Joshua Rovin. I'm one of the cardiovascular surgeons on the Morton Plant Hospital Valve Clinic team. Morton Plant Hospital has a legacy of providing innovative cardiovascular health care in the Tampa Bay area. We were the first to provide transcatheter aortic valve replacement therapy in Tampa Bay, and one of the few hospitals in the United States to be able to provide this new innovative care. The TAVR procedure provides options and is able to save lives of patients who previously could not be touched. This is not just a procedure, it's a program. And Morton Plant Hospital has embraced that program by really stepping up and providing one of the finest hybrid operating suites in the United States. The TAVR procedure is just one of the advanced procedures we're able to perform in the hybrid operating room. This new room allows us to perform innovative endovascular aortic procedures that we were unable to provide to this community in the past.